Hello again, toy car collectors. I just want to take a quick look at this Kenworth Aerodyne truck here. This is a Road Champs. Quite nicely done. Obviously that's a cab over engine truck. It's got a metal truck, trailer's metal. Yeah, pretty neat. I got a lot of these smaller scale trucks in my collection. Road Champs, Yatmings, some Matchbox ones, a couple of Shinsei trucks, which are quite nice. So, yeah, that's a nice looking rig there. Of course, it's got the pipes on there. These sort of almost sort of twist tie looking straps on there. Yeah, only thing that's really missing off of that would be some Yosemite Sam mud flaps. So yeah, neat little truck. Thanks for watching, everybody.